Yeah. You ready? Hey. Let's go.
Hello, Midget Gang, what's good? And today, as you can see, I'm not so energetic today because I'm actually sick and yeah, I'm still making a vlog. So yeah, and some of my friends might wonder, the friends that are watching me right now, some of my friends might wonder why they didn't come to school on Friday because I was so sick. And so yeah, and I'm still making a vlog. And if you don't know, today is a bonfire night, so we're gonna launch some fireworks. My mom and dad gonna go into the neighbor's house, not the one that has 15 cats. If you don't know, the other one. And basically they're gonna launch the fireworks. I'm gonna look from the best from my window in my room, and it'll be epic. I'm still eating McDonald's even though I'm sick, so that. And so yeah, I hope you enjoy the vlog. Because I have to wait for my mum to come because she's getting fireworks. I'm really bored, so I'm basically gonna do like a cool montage thing like I usually do in all my other vlogs. But this one's gonna be crazy. I'm just gonna do random stuff like spin a fidget spinner. So yeah, let's go. Let's spin the views.
Yeah. I'm at my prime. Said I'm at my prime. We at our prime.
Fudge, this sucks. Right now, I'm gonna do something that no human done before. Is spin a fidget spinner on a straw. Why is everything pink today? Come on. Okay, I'm ready. Second try. Whoop! Fudge. Fudge. Okay, third try. The thing that I'm doing right now is really boring, so you can skip to 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Fourth try. Okay, I can't do it. I'm a loser. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I don't want to do anything anymore. I don't want to do this vlog. I'm done. Fudge, everyone. Fudge. Okay, so let's get back to the vlog because it's gonna be boring. So basically, I bought some Jaffa cakes today. I'm gonna do a chubby Jaffa cake challenge. I'm gonna get Jaffa cake.
I'm at my prime. Whoa. Said I'm
Let's see how many can fit in my house.
Hey, we at our prime.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't fit one.
I'm at my prime. Hey, at my prime. Hey, hey, we at our prime. Yeah, I'm at my prime. Hey, hey, I'm at my prime. Whoa, said I'm at my prime.
1, 2, 3, and 4. As you can see, I failed at this challenge. I mean, I put 4 in my mouth, but I don't know. I guess I'll just have to wait until the fireworks arrive. So yeah, bye. I mean, I'm not saying bye, but I mean, like, I'm gonna wait until the fireworks arrive. That's why I'm saying bye, because I'm not ending the vlog. But I just mean, I don't know.
Yeah. You ready? Hey. Let's go. Bet. Yo, once again I'm back around. Real shit back in style. Haters reconcile. I'm so black and proud. First class tickets now. Feet all in the aisle. Everybody looking down. Everybody get red when you drown, huh? Look at me up. I'm putting it down, you picking it up. Checking the models, they want us to go to college just so we can be stuck. Go to school to make a living, or teach yourself to make a fortune. Common sense, welcome to the apocalypse. Bitch, I'm one of the horsemen. I don't need your endorsement, I don't need reinforcement. Giving you your last warning, cause I'm at my prime. Yeah, I'm at my prime. Whoa. Have I gone too far? Do you detect something different? If you look inside my head, would you say something's missing? If you could give all your riches just to say the word, would you risk it? These politicians so old, can't tell if the dead where they living. Better ask Kathy Griffin. You know I like to raise stakes. We was always taught to hit the gas, we ain't even know they made brakes. We control our own fate, watching dreams take shape. Try to keep us out, we gon' freak out, turn this bitch to water cake. I don't need your mandate, don't need you to elevate. I'm about to detonate, cause I'm at my prime. Yeah, I'm at my prime. Said I'm at my prime. We at our prime. Hey, hey, we at our prime. Yeah, I'm at my prime. Hey, hey, I'm at my prime. Whoa, said I'm at my prime. Watching dreams take shape. Try to keep us out, we gon' freak out, turn this bitch to water cake. I don't need your mandate, don't need you to elevate. I'm about to detonate, cause I'm at my prime. Yeah, I'm at my prime. Said I'm at my prime. We at our prime. Hey, hey, we at our prime. Yeah, I'm at my prime. Hey, hey, I'm at my prime. Whoa, said I'm at my prime.
See, it is night. I already filmed some fireworks, and Lily just woke up, so I'm going to show you because I don't think I ever showed Lily on my channel. Lily, come here. Lily the Savage. Hashtag Lily the Savage. I think there was fireworks. I just had a firework. There was definitely a firework somewhere. I'm 100% sure. Come on. Where is it? My dad and some other guy is right now. Setting up the fireworks. Oh, there's the fireworks. Oh. Fudge. I think, look there. Fudge, my phone is in the way. That's not good. See? She's wrestling a food stick. Let's go. Do. Fudge, when's the fireworks gonna come already? I hear some fireworks right there. I can't see them though. Come on, my whole vlog is about bonfires and fireworks, and it is the bonfire night, so come on. No, come in. Guys, I don't think there's going to be any more fireworks, and so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you support me. I hope you support me with likes, because I'm sick and I'm ill. I mean, I'm not that sick anymore, but I'm not sure what's going to be tomorrow. Really not sure. So yeah, I hope you put a like on this video. If you don't like this video, you can put dislike. I don't care. So subscribe to my channel. Also, follow me on Instagram. It's Yegs Vlogs. I think I could put a link in description. I think I can. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Peace.